Friends, I low-key was not expecting this to come today, but I ordered some stuff off Boohoo, which I will be doing a haul, so stay tuned for that. So we are gonna go run and do some groceries. I'm gonna bring you guys along with me. I've never vlogged while doing groceries before, so this ought to be fun. I'm about to go through my fridge right now and just like get rid of everything that needs to be thrown out, because yeah.
You mean bread and butterflies?
Oh, yes, of course.
Good to go. Low-key, the only issue about my contacts is like one eye sees good and the other eye sees good, but like together it's still a little fuzzy. But it's definitely way better than my glasses. Quick little outfit of the day. My shirt or my top is from Target. My pants were thrifted. And my shoes are low-rise platform Nikes with some, I think like calf length socks, I don't know, but, and then I have my little bag ready to go. It's not open.
You gotta let them know, baby. Gotta let them know. What is this?
Those are a hit.
These a hit?
Those are a hit.
What is? Can't even see it, but yeah.
Someone got hungry as hell.
Yep.
She's my friend now.
She's your friend?
Bestie vibes only. Like 9 o'clock, putting the groceries away and reorganizing the fridge and just like cleaning all that out. That took hours. Did not think it would take that long, but it took forever. I'm about to wash my face and we're gonna put on a movie. I just don't know what we're gonna watch. So I low-key forgot that my contacts were not easy to get out. And I've worn contacts before, and for some reason they're just like difficult. These are difficult as fuck to get out. So we're gonna see how long it takes for me to take my contacts out this time. Start. Hello. start. This time was faster. Wow, so this time took a little less than 3 minutes, but I promise you, my first time taking them out, it took like 25 minutes. Oh my gosh, and my eyes are irritated now.
Showers early Friday, but improving to greater than 6 miles on Friday morning.
Grand rising, friends. So it is the next morning. Last night I didn't finish the vlog. I thought to just like carry it into today and maybe do like a weekend type of vlog thing. Right now it is 9 a.m. We are about to head to the forest preserve. There's a forest preserve not too far from me where we normally would like go and just like park up, smoke, read, those types of things, relax, get some fresh air. Also it helps me practice my driving. Oh my god, sorry for all the eye boogers. Waiting for Lewis to get out of the bathroom so I can brush my teeth and like wash my face and do all that. I already had a little breakfast snack. Oh, but I kind of want to show you what there's something in my eye. I kind of want to show you what I'm planning on making once we get back. So I'm gonna make myself a pumpkin spice latte type situation. I'm just really hoping this doesn't tear my stomach apart because I am lactose intolerant. I've also never used pumpkin puree before, so this ought to be exciting. Very. Probably one of my favorite snacks ever. Dates. These are like whole dates. I don't really care for pitted dates, but these are really good. They're really filling. Oh, I can sit you right here. But yeah, they're good for like morning. And they're really big. Like, do you see how big these are? They look like huge raisins, but they're way better. I don't really care for raisins like that. Wishing everyone a happy spooky season.
Happy spooky season. Happy freaking shit.
So it is actually several hours later. I took a shower, got dressed. I'm actually about to pick up my niece from school. It's the 1st of October.
She's here.
So we are gonna watch some movies. I'm gonna make a little pumpkin spice latte DIY drink. Wish me luck. I've never attempted a pumpkin spice latte before, any type of latte for that matter, so this ought to be fun. Okay, I hope I have everything. I got some pumpkin spice, I got some vanilla extract, pumpkin puree, heavy whipping cream, ground cinnamon, and some nutmeg. I'm gonna make my vanilla chai tea, and then I'll add the little pumpkin concoction that we're about to make. Hello friends, so it is several days later. My niece ended up spending the night and I did not vlog the rest of the evening. We just watched movies and we also made cookies, but yeah, I didn't vlog. I got my period today, which is a fun time, and I low-key wanted to use that as an excuse to watch movies all day, so I'm gonna do that. But first I want to change the bedding on my bed. And I gotta put the new bedding that I'm gonna put on and then switch those out and probably just clean up my room a little bit so I can finally relax and probably take a nap. Okay, like 50 hours later, my bedding is good to go. I am obsessed. My pillow is a darker shade of black than my actual bedding. I changed some of the decor that was on my shelf as well. And then our actual dresser, I don't love how it looks, but I mean, it's something, right? Right. Okay friends, my camera is gonna die. I'm chilling with my bestie and I'm probably gonna take a nap. So thank you for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed this vlog and I hope it boosted your spooky spirits because it boosted mine a bit. Hope you're staying safe, hope you're staying healthy, and I hope to see you in my next vlog. Bye.